Gabe's in the middle. Gabe's doing the
No,
intro.
I'm not.
We're live.
I'm the intro.
Hey, you have. You hold the Okay. Today, making a cake.
Alta Movida style.
But yeah, we're making a cake and we're gonna have some. So one of us is gonna be blindfolded, one of us isn't gonna be able to hear, and one of us isn't gonna be able to see.
We're basically missing one sense. Whip out the ingredients, gang.
Ingredients.
Don't we need milk?
We need that cake. That white cake, the chocolate cake. We got the Napoleon out here.
You know what we were saying instead of frosting? We could use our frosting.
So I'd be making a soggy cake.
Tres
leche.
So how do we know who's what?
We're gonna some paper and on here. Russian roulette.
Who wants to pull first?
I'll pull first.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Jesus Christ, just fuck it. Alright, this is what I'm getting. I'm putting it right here. God, you want a second?
Okay, let's get it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait. Scissors is crazy.
Do I show them?
Rock,
again?
paper, scissors,
No,
shoot.
you're joking?
Rock,
No.
paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Alright, Angel gets the last one. Fuck. Alright, are we gonna open it?
Okay.
I'm really hoping I'm not fucking blind.
I hold it up blind.
Fuck! Ah, I just can't talk. What'd you get? Oh, you got both!
Oh, yeah!
Alright, so I got can't talk. Gabe
I got
can't talk. And can't hear.
I can't hear. Let's get it.
Okay, yeah, okay, I understand.
Should I play like?
It's your music, bro. As long as you can't hear shit, like blast that shit, dog.
What were you doing? Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go! So,
Shit. What do you want me to do with this?
I can't see shit.
Give it to Jose.
Open it. Fuck that. Wait.
I can't see. What the fuck is happening? Trying not to make a mess. Like someone's behind me. What the fuck are y'all doing? Other box.
Oh yeah.
What is going on?
Shot. Oh, motion. Use your finger. What he's trying to say is use your finger. Actually, I don't know what he's trying to say.
Jesus fucking Christ.
So the 350 pounds with non-stick cooking spray.
Bro, I'm on the table. Oh, it's right here.
Oh wait, you can't hear me. What the fuck? That was me. That was no. I did that. I did that. That was me. trying, but I can't fucking see. What's on my finger? What the fuck? What did I touch? Oh! Tight shit. Is there eggs? Is there eggs in there? I can't see what's going on. Napkin, please.
That's the napkin.
Rafa, skip it. She told me where he be. I said for sure. Let me know if do that. Oh shit! What is this? Are we heating this up? Hello. Talk to me. Is this on? Oh, I feel a little warm.
Wait.
Is it on? Is it on? Is this Brian? Oh, it's Brian. Stand me up. What is going on? Somebody say something!
It felt like a horse.
What is going on?
Through the top. I thought I was like it.
Ah, what the fuck? Leave me alone!
What are you listening to? Put your phone right here.
What the fuck fell on my head? No!
No.
Stop! I'm getting bullied!
Angel, it just looks like you're on crack.
Oh!
Stop fucking around, Angel. Start cooking eggs.
Oh, you're fine!
How my pickle taste?
You're fine.
A lot. A lot. A lot. A lot. A lot. A lot.
Hey, bro, not gonna lie.
Oh,
I'm not
shit,
fucking.
Bro, the oven is open.
Oh, for real? That shit. Fucking dumbass.
I'm a playing with sticks. You know how it goes. You want it. Can you explain to the camera what the fuck is this? Use hand signs. What the fuck?
Ow! He has a knife. Woke up like this to never top me. Huddle up, buddy. Huddle up. Huddle up.
I'm gonna kill you! Why is it so many?
Nightmare, 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 nightmare.
Bro, this has gotta be a form of torture.
My turn. I was in trouble with me. Bro, I swear to God, bro.
That's gay. Hey, keep doing that shit. Okay, that's Brian. Here's his watch.
This is Brian. Wait, do the haircut again? The cake is right in front of us.
Oh my! Let me have some of that cake.
Why do you lean in like you can see? Hi, I'm gonna narrate for you, okay? We got half a cake.
Oh, what's that?
We have half a cake.
Where's the other cake?
We have half a cake.
What happened to the
Half a
other
cake.
half?
Half a cake.
What happened to the other half?
Half a cake.
Jake.
It's all wet.
You want to do another piece? No?
Who gets on? Okay. Last one to talk is gay. Wait. Hold up. Wait. Pause. No. Wait.
I knew
Wait.
it. Why is the cake deformed? What is this volcano?
Watch your fingers. It's time to paint ourselves.
Jose, what is he saying?
Wait. Hold on. Okay.
Translate.
What's
he saying?
You?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you who? Oh, you do me and Gabe?
Hey, yo, what?
Yeah. Oh, I do Angel?
What?
Look at this shit, Angel. This shit goofy as hell, bro.
I can't see. You fucking dick.
Oh. Make it eat a plan B. That bandy. Hey, I'm just starting on my ex, bitch. Hey, I'm just texting on my. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, shit.
Am I pushing harder?
You don't need to do eyes, Angel. We got eyes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, where's the circle again? Circle.
Let me take y'all back, man.
I think I nailed it.
Mordida, mordida, mordida.
Andrew, you ready?
No.
What a relief.
Look at this.
Ah, Charo.
We.
Illuminati confirmed.
Oh yeah.
Alta Movida is
Oh, this is yours, Angel.
Is it good?
I'm not sure. Oh.
Is it Alta Movida approved?
Okay.
Is it bussin' or disgusting? Let me see if it's bussin' or disgusting. I'm gonna try myself.
I'm gonna try myself.
Oh.
Try it, Blevis. I'm gonna take that, you fucking idiot.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Might
Down.
get runs tomorrow.
Honestly, we did a good job.
Wait, what was this for?
You guys want water?
Yeah. 10 out of 10. Recommend a cake done by Alta Movida. for your
Just
next
watch
week.
this video for the recipe. As you can tell, Jose did jack shit. That's what made it.
Bro,
That's what made it the best.
That's
Guys go always. He doesn't do shit.
Angel didn't do nothing,
What
bro.
do you mean? Angel's just standing there, not
Yeah.
even looking for real.
Open your eyes or something, bro. Come
Oh
on.
my god.
Yeah, hopefully it was a bit of enjoyment.
Yo, yo.
Funny.